Shut up and sit down.
Scratch, 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 scratch. Dog scratch, cat scratch, monkey scratch. I scratch, you scratch, you scratch. If you don't know how to scratch, I will teach you how to scratch. Yay! Let's scratch. Hello there, welcome back. We have come to the last tutorial, and now we are going to make the rockets go to the planet Earth and land close to that's right, the Uncle Octopus. So we are going to do a river, and then I will also give you a homework. Yeah, like teachers do. Finally. And I'm not so strict. If you do not know how to do it and need some help, just write down in the comments and I will help you out. Now, let's start with the topic. I'll first do the third scene. I'll go back here and I'll put this over here. Yeah, now they will disappear and come over here. Now I'm going to show you how to do the river background. Come over here and paint and just delete this house. We don't need houses or anything, or fences or roads. Please don't think that I am just deleting everything. Let these two trees be, because the river needs some support. I'll just take this blue color and fill it over here. Now the other tree gets more water, and now we will just do some lines, like we draw. Yeah, and some pebbles. Yeah. Yeah, this much should be enough. I'll click on the tick above and you'll have this. We don't need the cat again. Yeah. Now we will do the thing what we did in the first scene. The two rockets coming down. So I'll get the two rockets over here. This and another rocket, and I'm going to just make them a little bit smaller. This much should be enough. Yeah, perfect. And in the other rocket I'll make the same. Yeah, perfect. Now I'll just get them up, and I'll make it one flag pressed. Coming down, let's make it go 9 steps down. We'll make it into 9, and I'll just duplicate this here also. Just make them send the orange message, and I will get the two astronauts, me and Bhargav. Yeah, I'll just make it smaller. this should be enough. I'll get them down here, and when they open orange message, they will appear, and when the green flag is clicked, they will disappear. End. Now I'm going to add another character, that is Bhargav. Yeah. So I'll just duplicate him to this. Yeah. Those two have the same. Now I'll just make him smaller. Yeah, enough. Great. Perfect. Now I will add another character, that is the gift and the octopus. And now I'll teach you how to make the octopus. We don't actually have the octopus. We will again take some creature. So we will make its outline black. Yeah. Now its outline is black, and we'll make him in this color. Yeah, perfect. I'll just even color the eyes. Good. I'll click on the tick, and I'll just make him bigger. This should be enough. Yeah. I'll delete this, and he will be here the whole time. And then when they receive the message, appear, and they tell, "Hi octopus, alien gave a gift for you." So it is here, and he will say in the timer, I'll again put the timer into maybe 60, and make him say, now take another speech bubble and tell how is he doing. Okay, now the astronaut is going to say, "Wonderful, here is his gift for you." So I'll go to the astronaut, and I'll get him to 20 seconds maybe. Yeah, and I will make him say, "Well." Yeah. Okay. I'll make him say again, "For you." And then he will say, after some maybe 20 seconds, so much. Yeah. Now I will get the gift. This thing. Yeah. Here is the gift. Now I will make it smaller. Yeah. I'll make it close to the astronaut. I think I'll make it just a little more smaller. Yeah. Now I'm going to take the green flag and make it disappear, and I'll make it open in red message and appear, and I'll make the astronaut send the red message. Yeah. Now I will go to the octopus and by red message he will, after 2 seconds, disappear, and go to this thing after 20 seconds also disappear. And I want my cousin Bhargav to throw the gift, so I'll put one up over here, and I will make it maybe 2, and they'll both disappear. Yeah, it's correct. Okay, let's now see the whole thing if all is correct. Now you'll see the full thing. Hi Octopus, your cousin Alien gave a gift for you. Oh, what a long time it has been since I met him. Oh, okay, then how is he doing? He's doing wonderfully well. Here is his gift for you. Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, perfect. So that's it for today. I'll give you the homework now. So the homework is, in the second scene you will just put a alien cat instead of an alien. You can put anything like an alien, and he'll just get inside the rocket secretly without anybody noticing. And over here, after they have landed, you will add that alien again, and when the scientist is there, the alien will come out and say, "Where am I?" and scientist will tell, "Oh, I can just see what all species are there in this alien," and he will take the alien and go. But you only have to do everything, the alien and the scientist. But I think the scientist is already there in the sprites column. So that is it. I have taught you everything that is to be taught in Scratch Junior. Now you can build your own amazing imaginations. Meet you in the next video. Bye.